So I got my 5 fingers on, which she likes to wear around the office. Carhartts with a tucked-in raised shirt, vest, glasses with the neck holder, and his hat with the flaps.
Bruno number 1. Bruno number 2. Oh, the ultimate Bruno.
Good morning. Good morning.
Apparently he hasn't noticed it.
And what did that?
And he walked right by me. This is his hat, by the way. And he did not notice. So we'll see how long this lasts, I guess.
So what are you supposed to be?
Bruno.
And what are the pieces of your costume?
Let's see, I've got his glasses that I stole off his bookshelf. So hopefully they'll figure that one out. And I made one of those neck straps with a alligator clip wire. It's pretty
really handy.
Pretty nifty.
Inspired by Bruno. Bruno's engineering skills.
Yep, it's engineering at its finest. And I've got giant poofy vest.
I got candy and I was like standing there just like, come on dude. Yeah, alright.
Anybody want to go for a run?
I love my 5-finger shoes so much. I wear them all the time.
Holy cow, you fit into them. Let's see something here. If there's a cut, if there's a split here, I swear I'm going to take your toe off.
Let's see, my toes even fit in.
So they're yours.
Yeah, they are absolutely mine.
Really?
Yeah.
Robin has some on too. That's strange.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What's with the ear flaps? What are those for?
Oh, well, this is a very sweet hat. You know, most people don't wear these kind of hats, but I think they're awesome. So I wear them a lot.
It's okay.
You guys are playing it too, guys.
It's a coincidence that we all wore a vest and this funny hats.
Figure it out.
I don't know. I wonder what Ness is going for.
Should I not said that yet? Oh my god.
Some little pants.
That's what you guys
This is your hat.
This is your vest! It's
Is
really
that
hot.
mine too?
And underneath we all have,
Oh my god.
look at that, race t-shirts. Do you feel like you're looking in a mirror?
Yes. Yes, I do. Oh my god. I don't even know how to take it.
It's pretty obvious.
Well, when you come in here, like, okay, something's going on. What the hell's going on?